How fast do you think I can wrap this cookie?
A minute.
I can do it in a second.
I'd like to see you try.
Okay.
How'd you do that?
With manufacturing, duh.
No, but seriously, how did you do that?
Just come here.
At JLS, we manufacture equipment for the food industry. I'm Craig Sauser. I'm the president and CEO of JLS Automation. We think there are lots of opportunities within manufacturing. I wouldn't leave it. I wouldn't give it up for anything. I'm having a great time doing it. Been doing it for a long, long time. And every day there's another challenge, and we love it.
Hey, check out the school bird machine. Cool.
My name is David Byer. Job title is Lead Project Engineer. I get to kind of come out here on the floor and actually get to go out in the production facility and watch things being made. So that's what I enjoy.
Look at these cheese slices. Whoa!
My name is Dave Schaefer and my job title is Lead Engineer. On a day-to-day basis, I basically take care of equipment that has been sold by JLS and getting it configured for the customer and to their specifications. I'm excited to come to work each day because it's something different, something new. It's never the exact same thing daily.
My name is Corey Wagner. I'm the test engineer here at JLS Automation. Currently, we're looking at an application for a company. They make salad bowls. The salad bowls have a tray topper that has the ingredients to the salad bowl. So what they want us to do is pick up the salad tray topper and put it into the salad bowl.
We traveled to Just Born Quality Confections in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania to find out more about JLS machines.
Peeps are an amazing holiday product consumed by millions.
But did you know that Peeps were made using JLS machines? Let's take a look behind the scenes.
JLS robotic machines help speed up the processes of making Peeps, and even with a higher efficiency.
Manufacturing is cool.
Manufacturing is cool. Manufacturing's cool.
Manufacturing is so cool.